talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video, and today I have a tutorial for you guys. I've been talking about it for a minute. Pretty much it's how I check out. You guys can kind of tell by the videos I do on how I kind of do it, or how I really do it. I have a tutorial on my channel. If you want to check it out, I'll have the description, well, I'll have it in the description below. But you can also go to my channel and go like maybe 10 videos up, and it should be there. But it's going to be the same exact method. I just changed one little thing. And so far I haven't gotten declines, I haven't gotten CAPTCHA, so it's been pretty smooth for me. So I really don't want to waste any time. I want to get started because I tried doing this video like 30 minutes ago, and for some reason I wasn't able to get into the Supreme site. Like the shop tab was just like not blurred out, but it was grayed out for me and I couldn't even access it, so it was being very weird. But I checked it now and it's working. So first things first, you do need an add-on from Chrome, so just go to the Chrome web store. It's not hard to find. Just like Google it or whatever, and then you're gonna type autofill. Yeah, did I spell it wrong? Yeah. Anyways, type autofill. It's gonna be the very first one, and it has like a little lightning bolt. You're gonna add it to Chrome or whatever, and then once you have it added, it's gonna show up on the top over here, like a little lightning bolt on your top right, little where all your add-ons go. So once you have that, you're good to go. Next thing, you want to go to the Supreme site. I already have it open here, and you're gonna actually hold up. Sorry. You're gonna just find any T-shirt, or like not a T-shirt, but like anything that's in stock. So for this purpose, I will actually just be using a regular T-shirt. So let's go with this. Let's say we're adding it to cart. We're gonna go to checkout, and here I might cut the video because I do have my other information on there. So I'm gonna just delete all that. But you guys are going to just see like a blank screen, so give me 1 sec. Okay, so here we have the blank screen. So pretty much what you want to do is just fill out all your information. I might blur this as well because I think it might like autofill some of my information. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing here is just filling out everything that I like. Yeah, just filling out everything essentially. So give me 1 sec and I'll fill that out. Yeah, like I said, I might blur everything because it's probably going to put my email and stuff, so this might be blurred right now, or it is blurred. I'm making up a fake email and shit. Okay. Okay, I guess that's a zip code. Okay, so as you guys can tell, everything is filled out. This is all fake information, but you're obviously going to use your information. So once you have everything filled up, you're going to go to the top where your lightning bolt is. You're going to click on it. And you're going to go to choose a profile. You're going to type new, and you're going to type in the name of the profile, whatever. So put Supreme or something. You're going to press OK, and you're going to press generate autofill rules. Now, every single time you come on this page, you're going to get that autofill. You're going to get everything autofilled. But you want to make sure it's active. So, let's say you leave, like go to a different site, whatever. Click on the lightning bolt, or press options. And then here, it's going to be blurred out as well. But it's going to say autofill options at the top. This is blurred out because my information is here. But here, I'll show you guys. Okay, so I took off the blurred or whatever, and this is going to be all your information. On the bottom left, where it says like you have like a little drop down menu, it's going to give you all the different autofill profiles you have, and you're going to make sure you select the one you want. So like if you're going to go for Supreme, you're going to click on the Supreme one, and then once you have it selected here at the bottom left, once you see that one, like right now it says example, but it would say like Supreme or whatever, whichever one you selected. Once you have it at the bottom corner, you can exit out, and that's the profile they're going to be using from here on outward or whatever. So currently I'm going to be using my actual one, like the one I always use. So this isn't saved or anything. But once you have that all filled out, just click back and then go to checkout now again, and everything should fill out now. Like everything should be filled in or whatever. So all your information should be good, blah blah blah. Like, see, this is an autofill I did. This is the example one. It's not the same thing I just did, but as you can tell, everything is filled out. But the most important part is, prior to the drop, you're gonna want to copy your card information. Well, my camera's been kind of funky. Okay, you're gonna copy your card information onto your clipboard. So let's say this is my card number. Okay, so prior to the drop, have it on your clipboard. Then let's say this is like a crazy drop or whatever. Blah blah blah. 10 seconds left. 1 second left. Boom. Click on it. Boom. Check out. You're gonna go to your card number and you're gonna paste it. I have read the agree to the terms or whatever, and then you're gonna press process payment. So that's very important, because last season I was getting declined due to the fact that everything was filled out. So I think that's how Supreme tells if you're like manual or whatever. So by pasting your card information, I don't really know like how exactly to describe what it does, but I guess it kind of just like tricks the site into thinking you're going fully online. I don't really know, honestly, but if you're getting declined, try this out. If it works for you, that's awesome. Like, let me know, because it's been working for me. But obviously there are people out there that get by just doing 100% autofill. I haven't been so lucky, so I've been having to use this method, and it doesn't really take that much more time. Literally like half a second or 1 second. So typically you're gonna be okay. So yeah, that's very important. You're gonna copy your card information and paste it once you're on the site. If you have numbers here, you can just go like that, and it replaces it. So how long was that? Not even a second. Yeah. So if you do have your card information filled out there, it's okay. Just highlight it and then Control V, and you should be good. So that's pretty much how you check out. It's really not that hard. It just takes practice. But knowing this, it doesn't mean you're gonna get the items. It doesn't mean you're gonna check out 100% of the times. Like, there's been times where I miss out on what I want. This is just how I do it, and it's helped me out this season. So hopefully it helps you guys out. But like I said, don't just assume you're gonna get everything because you know how to check out fast. It takes time. I've been doing this for like a long time, like 4 or 5 years or whatever. I think 4 years. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyways, it just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of practice. So you'll get it. But also, one important thing is you want to have a Gmail account. That was dumb. I was just there. Anyways, I'm signed in to my Gmail right here. I'm not gonna click on it because it's gonna show my email, and I don't really want to show you guys. But pretty much, you want to make sure you're signed into Gmail every single time you check out, because that helps you avoid CAPTCHA. If you complete CAPTCHA on your Gmail account and you use your your Google account, whatever, it doesn't really matter. If you complete a CAPTCHA and you consistently use it, it kind of tells. Well, I don't really know how to explain it either. But having like an active Google account and having completed CAPTCHA, it kind of saves it like in your history, your cookies. I don't really know how to explain it, like I said, but it kind of just tells the CAPTCHA that you're not a robot, in a sense. Like, you're not just a bot. You have history, like you're using it, like it can tell you're a real person. So that's really how you avoid the CAPTCHA, from my understanding. If anyone has a better understanding, please comment it in the comments below, and I'll pin it to the top so someone can understand better. But pretty much all you really need to know is have an active Google account and having completed CAPTCHA in the past, and that's pretty much it. You won't have to do CAPTCHA ever again, at least from my experience. But yeah, that's kind of it. Like I said, I have another tutorial if this was a little bit unclear. If anything wasn't clear, just comment it and I'll make sure to respond to you. But yeah, that was kind of it. It's not really hard. It's just you kind of have to know what to do. So obviously you need autofill. You go to Supreme, you put in your information, you generate the autofill rules, you copy your card information, you paste your card information, and you have an active Google account. And that's kind of it. Hopefully this video wasn't confusing at all. I really didn't have a lot of time to make it. I have to go to school like in 30 minutes. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Tomorrow is the North Face drop, so hopefully I am able to purchase what I want. It's kind of loud, so I don't really, I've been wanting to go for the jackets for like the past few seasons, but they haven't been my favorite. So I really don't know if I'm gonna be going for the jacket, because honestly, it's just I wouldn't wear it. But I will be buying stuff from the drop, so stay tuned for that. If this video helps you out tomorrow, please consider subscribing, leave a like on the video, follow me on Instagram. I will put it in the description below, or maybe somewhere here, but probably not. But yeah, I appreciate your guys' support. Hopefully this helps you guys out. But yeah, that was it for me for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the North Face drop. Peace.